Hi everyone, I hope whatever videos I am giving you it is quite clear to you, and it is the we have already started the half yearly syllabus yesterday, so please convey that if you have any queries regarding it, and let's start today's topic. Students, it is the continuation part of the microorganisms friend and foe. Today is the I will teach you about the beneficial of the fungi, the benefits of the fungi. In the last classes I have discussed about the habitat, structure, reproduction procedure of the fungi, right? So the first benefit is it is the fungi is used in the bakeries and the breweries. So here it is the yeast there we have already started that the yeast is the example of the fungi. Okay, so yeast generally undergoes the anaerobic respiration known as the fermentation. Anaerobic respiration means the respiration that is occurring without the presence of the oxygen, that is the absence of the oxygen the respiration is undergoing. That procedure is known as the fermentation. In this anaerobic respiration, yeast generally convert the glucose into the alcohol and the CO2. Generally, CO2 that is generally released by the fermentation procedure causes the dough to rise, and in case of the bread and idli and so on. So this is the procedure through which generally the dough prepared. Okay, so CO2 generally makes the dough soft, right? In the another thing is less calm, the commercial production of the yeast is the alcohol and the wine. We all know that alcohol or the wine is produced by the procedure known as the fermentation. Okay, now the barley, wheat, rice, this kind of things are, or the crushed fruit juices are also sometimes fermented by the help of this yeast to generally obtain the alcohol and the wine, right? Now next point is the preparation of the cheese. The cheese is also used prepared by the help of this fungi, and the fungi that is used for the preparation of the cheese is the penicillium. Now let's come organic acid. The preparation of the organic acid is also done by the help of the fungi, and the example of the organic acid that is the oxalic acid, citric acid, gluconic acid and the lactic acid. Vitamins, the vitamins is also prepared by the help of the yeast, and the yeast generally help in the preparation of the vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex means it is a group of vitamins present, okay, that generally cater the different vitamin demand of our body. So vitamin B complex is also prepared by the help of the yeast. Now let's come the food. In the case of the food preparation also the fungi like the agaricus, then morchella, this kind of things are used. Now the production of the antibiotics, in the production also cephalosporin, right, now known as the grisosulvin, this kind of things are also used in the production of the antibiotic, right? So and another thing is that the penicillin that I have already told in the preparation of the cheese, the penicillin is also used in the preparation of the antibiotic. The Penicillium notatum is the first antibiotic prepared by the help of the Penicillium notatum. Okay, and we all know it has been prepared by the Alexander Fleming, right? So these are the some benefits of the fungi. Now in the next class I will teach you about the harmful effects of the fungi. Please go through it, and if you have any queries regarding it, please convey that. Okay, thank you.